The benefits of high thermal performance entrances in education sector. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we explore the benefits of entrances with high thermal performance and the issue of entrances closed most of the time, such as emergency exits, which require performance more of a wall than a door. There are many entrances on buildings, such as side doors, doors to patios, doors to outside sitting areas, or emergency exits that remain closed the majority of the time. Being that these are closed so much of the time, they really function most of the time as an extension of the walls adjacent to them. These entrances should perform closer to the fixed elevations than they do the main elevations, the main entrances. These are examples where thermally broken entrances would have a good payback and good benefit for the project, because now you've got thermal breaks through the frame so that they're adding thermal efficiency to the entrances, which are typically remaining closed. So they're going to add thermal performance to that entire wall section. Glazed with an insulating glass unit, you have low conductive spacer in the insulated glass unit, then low conductive in the door and the threshold, all giving a complete thermal separation through the elevation. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.